One company working to make getting ready for that tacky holiday sweater party. Holiday rompers for men. There's several different styles, including a hot Santa and an elf. And Tommy, you'd like that one.
No,
and
no.
one with President Trump wearing a Santa hat. There's also a Hanukkah romper. They sell for about $100. See anything you like?
No.
No, it would cost a lot of money to get me one of those.
Wow, so some of those are kind of form-fitting, though. It would show your abs and, you know, like the green, the one on the left.
Exactly.
That looks like you, no?
Yeah, maybe the elf one, I don't know. All right, we're looking at